Welcome to our support video, which will take you through how to create a form. On the quick action button, you can click to create a form and select the applicable template. Additionally, you can click on the sidebar and click to create a form. I'm going to create a form from here. So to create a form, I need to select from the templates that have been created for my service or organization. I'm going to start with a meal chart. I can click confirm. The system, because the template has been created to select the applicable children that are booked in today, I can go through and I can individually apply, or I can bulk edit if I wish. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to select from the items that have been predefined in my form builder template. I'll move through and complete a couple of these children. Just finish this off here. And I'm going to submit that form. So that is my meal chart that has been submitted. Now, if you wish to then insert this form into a report that has been created to record routines, for instance, I can click on reports and I can come into my day sheet that I have here in draft, and I can go through and I can edit that. So if I'd like to insert the routine for those particular children that I have tagged, I can click on forms, and this is the form that has been completed today. I can go through and I can insert that and I can save. What that will now do to the report is that'll insert the applicable meal charts for those children that have been tagged. With that report now, I can actually approve that form report and I can publish that to the parent portal, and that will show that report including the routines that I've inserted. Going back to forms, if I would like to then create a form for the purpose of a checklist that I have created, I can go through and I can choose my opening checklist template. And as an educator, I can go through and I can then complete that applicable checklist. So I can go through and I can complete the items that I've ticked off, and I can choose who's completed it, and I can submit that, and now my form will be completed. So on the forms menu, I can go through and I can view my forms, and I can move my date ranges backwards and forwards. I can view my applicable templates, and I can use my filter to apply my date ranges. So if I'd like to see all forms that have been completed for a specific period, I can go through and I can choose that and I can view. That concludes our creating form support video. Please click through to our next videos to explore more of the Moments features in further detail. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly customer success team. Thank you.